YouTube overwhelm? Been there. As a researcher, I spend ages scrolling for the good stuff, so I thought, why not share the gems? I'm Mike, and on this channel, I skip the fluff and go straight to videos I found most valuable. In this episode, we're covering the best videos on selling digital products. Get ready to watch that. This video from Tim Koa is the real deal if you're looking to get into selling digital products. He's got over 3 years of experience under his belt, and he's breaking down his 4-step beginner's guide to help you crush it. First off, Tim talks about how to find a profitable niche that actually plays to your strengths. None of that generic cookie-cutter stuff. He's all about leveraging the skills and interests you already have. That way, you can actually create something that solves a real problem for customers. Next, he dives into the nitty-gritty of building out your digital product catalog. The key? Get at least 10 listings up before you launch. That way, you're not just relying on a single product to carry the whole shop. And when it comes to optimizing those listings, Tim's got some killer tips. From crafting killer titles and tags to taking product photos that make your stuff pop, he covers all the Etsy SEO basics you need to know. Finally, he breaks down both free and paid marketing strategies. We're talking leveraging Etsy's algorithm, crushing it on social media, and even running ads. That guy has experience with all of it, so you know you're getting legit advice. If you're serious about selling digital products, this video is a must-watch. Tim's been there, done that, and he's spilling all his secrets. So don't sleep on this. Take some notes, put the tactics into action, and watch your digital biz start to skyrocket. Next up, we've got a video from Baddie in Business with over 1 million subs. She's walking through a free course on how to start selling digital products for your business. Baddie's a big fan of digital products. They're easy to make, have killer profit margins, and can generate passive income for years. In this video, she covers what digital products are, the different types you can sell, how to find the right product for your niche, how to create a digital product using Canva, and strategies for getting those sales rolling. Here's what you'll learn. The benefits of digital products as a beginner-friendly business model. How to brainstorm and pick the right digital product to sell based on your expertise and audience. A simple process for using Canva to make a professional-looking digital product, like an ebook, in under 10 minutes. Effective tactics for marketing your digital product and driving sales, including social media platforms like TikTok, Insta, and Pinterest. This video is packed with practical step-by-step advice to help you start generating passive income through digital products. Baddie's got an enthusiastic conversational style that makes the content easy to follow, and she's not afraid to share her own wins and lessons learned. If you're looking to dive into digital entrepreneurship, definitely give this video a watch. Next up, we've got a video from Molly Kaiser with over 21,000 subscribers. In this one, Molly shares how she's making serious passive income by selling digital products online. Molly says she's pulled in over $363,000 and $24,000 in the last year alone, just from stuff like ebooks, memberships, and online courses. The best part? Digital products don't need any physical inventory or shipping, plus the profit margins are crazy high. We're talking 80 to 90%. Molly takes us through the different types of digital products she's created. She started with ebooks, then moved into templates and online courses. Turns out the online courses are where the real money is at, with Molly hitting 7 figures in sales. But the ebooks were a great way for her to get started. The key things Molly covers are the various digital products you can sell, how she scaled her business from ebooks to high-ticket courses, her 3-step framework for successfully selling digital products. Personally, I find Molly's story super inspiring. She went from being a broke college dropout to building a multi-million-dollar online education company, and she's sharing the exact strategies she used to get there. If you're interested in generating some passive income through digital products, this video is a must-watch. Molly lays out a clear roadmap you can follow. Plus, her results speak for themselves. Definitely worth checking out. Alright, let's dive into the next video to see what kind of digital product ideas we can find to potentially make some extra cash. The YouTuber's name is Brandon Timothy, and he's got over 100K subscribers, so he seems to know his stuff when it comes to online sales. In this 14-minute video, he breaks down 8 different digital product ideas that he's identified as being relatively unsaturated right now. What you'll learn. 8 specific digital product ideas that are currently underserved and have a lot of growth potential, real data and analytics on how existing Etsy shops are performing with these products. The level of difficulty and skills required to create each type of digital product, tips on how to differentiate your offerings and stand out, even if you're new to the game. Basically, Brandon has done the research for us, so we don't have to start from scratch. He's highlighting these opportunities so we can potentially jump on them and build our own successful digital product businesses. It sounds like a pretty solid video, especially if you're looking to get into selling digital goods online. Brandon seems to have a good handle on the current landscape, so it's worth checking out if this is something you're interested in pursuing. Next up, we've got a video from Aurelius Tjin. He's got over 450,000 subscribers, so he clearly knows what he's talking about when it comes to building an online business. In this one, Aurelius is going to show you how to start selling digital products, like ebooks and courses. The guy's an experienced creator and entrepreneur, so you're not going to get some fluff-filled nonsense. He breaks down the whole process step by step. Some of the key things you'll learn: the specific steps to set up your own digital product business from scratch, how to find a profitable niche by doing smart market research, the tools and platforms you can use to create and sell your digital goods. Aurelius has a super straightforward approach. He doesn't overcomplicate things and really emphasizes the importance of just creating content consistently. No getting trapped in analysis paralysis here. Aurelius even shares his own YouTube and social media marketing strategies, which is awesome. I picked this video because Aurelius seems legit when it comes to online entrepreneurship. The steps he lays out are realistic and actionable, especially if you're new to selling digital stuff. I definitely recommend giving this a watch. Let's check out this video from Konstantinos Synodinos. The guy's a two-time Greek Entrepreneurship Award winner, so he knows his stuff when it comes to creating digital products. Here are the key things you'll pick up from watching this. First off, Konstantinos really emphasizes mastering the art of prompting. He goes super in-depth on crafting those sophisticated prompts to get killer results from AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, which is crucial if you want high-quality content and designs. Next, he dives into creating your own digital courses and ebooks. Konstantinos breaks down how he pulled in over $100,000 last year from a video course he put together, and he shares some smart tips on using AI to speed up the ebook creation process. The video also covers other lucrative digital product ideas: think printables, custom portraits, and spreadsheet templates. Plus, Konstantinos talks about the value of offering custom contracts and invoices, which a lot of businesses seem to struggle with. Throughout it all, Konstantinos shares his personal experiences, both the wins and the challenges. Makes the advice feel super relevant and actionable. If you're looking to start generating some serious passive income with digital products, this is another must-watch. Konstantinos lays out a ton of practical AI-powered ideas you can dive into. Time to grab a pen and start taking some notes, my friend. Now let's talk about my favorite video on this list. It's from Kate Hayes, a creator with 220,000 subscribers. In this one, she's sharing a staggering number of 47 digital product ideas that are guaranteed to sell in 2024 and onward. Kate's an expert in the digital products space, helping creators and entrepreneurs build profitable online businesses. In this fast-paced video, she covers a wide range of ideas across three main niches: business information, events, projects, and design tools. What you'll learn: tons of specific digital product ideas you can sell online, from templates to end products. The key differences between templates and end products, with examples of each. Insights on the most in-demand digital product categories for different audiences. Tips and strategies for creating high-quality, profitable digital products. This video packs a lot of valuable information into 19 minutes. Whether you're new to selling digital or looking to expand your offerings, it'll spark ideas and provide a solid foundation to get you started. Kate clearly knows her stuff when it comes to the digital product space. She breaks down the different types and niches in a concise yet thorough way, giving you a roadmap to identify the best opportunities for your skills and interests. The last one didn't cut it? Well, check this one out then. Kelsey Rodriguez, a creator with over 235,000 subscribers, has put together a killer list of over 25 ideas for digital products that artists and creatives can sell online to make some passive cash. In this video, Kelsey shares her expertise and walks you through a bunch of different options, from simple stuff like phone wallpapers and app icons, to more complex offerings like Photoshop actions, character portraits, and educational materials like ebooks and online courses. What you'll learn: lots of specific, actionable ideas for digital products you can create and sell, insights into the pros and cons of different digital product types, from ease of creation to target audiences, tips on turning your expertise and knowledge into valuable educational resources like ebooks and courses, strategies for maximizing the reach and impact of your digital products, like offering discounts to commission clients. This video is super engaging and loaded with practical advice you can actually use. Kelsey's personality and energy are contagious, and she does a great job of opening your eyes to the many opportunities in the digital products space. Whether you're looking to diversify your income or take your creative career to the next level, you'll find a lot of value in this content. Kelsey's goal is to empower fellow artists and creatives, and this video delivers in a big way.